Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn about what are out of sequence activities in Primavera P6. Any activity is called as out of sequence activity which is in progress or has completed before one or more of its predecessors. I will show you with an example in this video on how to identify the out of sequence activity in your schedule. Here in this example, we have a sample project with 6 activities which are chain linked finish to start like this. After updating the schedule, you come to know that the activity B has completed before the start of activity A. So here the B is called as out of sequence activity. Once you update and schedule the project, in the schedule logs, Primavera P6 will show the out of sequence activity listed under this warning section. The schedule log will show this out of sequence activity whenever the predecessor is incomplete but the activity has started or completed. By seeing this warning, one should understand that either the schedule logic is wrong or the guys on site are doing things differently to the original plan. So this feature should help us in identifying the exact reason. So to enable this schedule log feature, you need to make sure that the log to file option checked in the schedule dialog box, and you can click the view log button any point of time to open the latest log. Got it, friends? So friends, this is all about out of sequence activities in your Primavera P6. If you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.